Have you ever stopped and asked yourself, who's replacing me? Not someday, not eventually, but if you had to step away next month, who's stepping in? And if your answer is, well, no one yet, you're not alone. See, most business owners are so focused on growing the business, they forget to protect it. Yeah, that's right, protect it. Without succession planning, all your hard work can disappear the moment that you do. And if you want a business to survive and thrive after you step back, then this question isn't optional, it is urgent. So a client once told me, he said, Steve, I don't even trust anyone on my team to run a meeting without me. How can I ever step away? You know what? He wasn't wrong. He built a business that was around himself. He was the superhero everyone depended upon. Every decision, every problem, every client, the business relies on him because he never built it to rely on anyone else. So when we started working together, we built structure, we delegated ownership, we started to train his number two, and fast forward a couple of years, he took a 3-week vacation and his business even grew while he was gone. But now he's no longer the only one who could lead his business. So in this video, you're going to learn the key steps to succession planning, whether you're passing the business to a family member, a manager, or just preparing to sell. Because real freedom isn't just about more time off, it's about knowing your business won't fall apart without you. And if you don't plan for succession, you're going to really stay trapped in the day-to-day operations forever. Your team's going to stay reactive and never ready to lead, and your business may even lose value or collapse when you are finally ready to exit. But when you do this, you give your business a real independence. You create stability for your team, your clients, and your legacy. You gain the freedom to sell, step back, or scale with confidence. But the biggest mistake business owners make is confusing replacement with retirement. They wait until they're ready to leave and then start thinking about succession. But grooming your replacement isn't a 30-day task or a 90-day task. It takes time, it takes training, and most importantly, trust. And the sooner you start, the smoother the transition will be for everyone involved in your business. So here's how to start succession planning the right way in your business. First, identify a successor early. Don't wait until you're ready to retire. Start looking now. Even if you're not sure who the right person is, you don't even have to tell them yet. Just start giving them opportunities, train them up, and see how they respond. Your first choice doesn't have to be your final choice. Next, start transferring knowledge. Document your processes, share your decision-making processes. Let them shadow you and start asking you questions. Then next, invest in training and development. Leadership and management is a muscle. It takes them time and space to build it. And when you're still around, to guide them. So do you have a management system in place, or are you just winging it? But most importantly, learn how financial transitions work. Should it be a sale, a buyout, an earnout, a gift? Learn about different financing options before making promises so you understand what's realistic and what works best for your business and your future. See, succession planning isn't about locking in one person today. It's about laying the groundwork so your business can thrive whether you stay or step away. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. I'm Business Coach Steve, and succession planning isn't just about handing off your business. It's about building a legacy that lasts. As a coach, I guide business owners to create a structured and create a training plan and the leadership pipeline to make that all possible without losing control or momentum in the process. So if this resonates with you and you want to learn more, I invite you to discover the power of coaching. Go ahead, click on the link, and you'll schedule a complimentary 2-week business coaching experience, and it starts with a simple discovery call. So go ahead, discover the power of coaching. Your business deserves it, and so should you.